Hey guys, welcome back to Joy's channel. Today I'm with Jeff and I'll be doing a review on Auxbeam's LED headlight kits. One of them is going to be the low beams and the other one's going to be the high beam. And these are going to be for the Gen 1s. And if you guys are wondering, these are going to be the H7s and these are going to be the 9005. So let's go ahead and get to it and hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Alright guys, so these are going to be the low beam right here, so you want to get this little tab, pull out, that's going to get you access to getting the light off, and you're just going to go ahead and twist it. Alright guys, so you're going to have this clip right here, you want to go ahead and try to push it, and then pull it. These look really good. So we transferred this piece, the little gasket here, from the previous bulb. And then we're gonna add this dust cap as well onto it. Alright guys, so I don't know if you can see those little channel right there. So you wanna line it up. You wanna line up this little tab onto that channel and slide it in. Alright guys, so it's on there now with the little spring clip locked in. Now we took off the heat absorber. And so we're gonna be doing the dust cap on first, slide that on first, and then screw this back on. That's how it looks with this screwed onto the dust cap, and it looks really clean, to be honest with you. Now to connect everything, see how that looks. And here is a view on how everything looks so far. We're just gonna have to go ahead and just tidy everything up and get it all a little situated here. One thing that we will recommend is that when you're plugging it into this little harness piece, you want to go ahead and get some electrical tape and tape it all up. That way it's more secure, you know, just in case in the future if it does unplug for whatever reason. We here like to be more secure, so yeah. And when you plug it in here, this one right here is gonna have tabs there. You want to go ahead and just pull them out a little bit, that way you have the ability to plug it in, because it will be a little bit short, not by much though. But this is literally all that you'll be getting in the box. So these are going to be Wiring harnesses for error codes. I guess the new cars have like an error code that might pop up. We don't need it on these, so we won't be using this. Thank you Auxbeam for these. Alright guys, so these are going to be for the high beams. So these are very simple to install. It's just a twist and turn, or twist and pull actually, just like so. And then you want to go ahead and unplug it. This portion of the plug will be plugged in and replacing the whole bulb. Alright guys, so I know it's during the day here, but those are really white and bright, especially the high beams, which are going to be these right here. They look pretty good for what it is during the day. You like them, Jeff?
Yeah, I like them. They're bright.
Yeah, they're really nice. Huh. Alrighty guys, real quick, if you guys have any constructive criticism that you'd like to mention, please comment down below, because I enjoy that. Without that, I won't be able to learn and have myself develop on what I need to develop on. So I would appreciate that. This is my first time doing a review for a company that reached out to me to review a product for them. So yeah, if you need me to cover any other bases in the future, if I do end up working with this company or any other company that requests for a review for them, I'm more than happy to incorporate something that you guys want to learn and you guys want to compare and contrast on. So please let me know down below in the comments, or on Instagram or on Snapchat. I'm more than happy to listen to them and to learn from it. So in a way, I would like you to. So thank you if you do. I've already had 2 people mention about the hand in the lens and whatnot. It was a little cringy, so I'm trying to work on that. So I appreciate you guys, you two, that I think it was 2 or 3 of you. So I appreciate that coming from you guys, from 3 of you guys. So yeah, thank you. I forgot to mention what these are for. Now these are going to be for error code cars. So essentially, the LEDs don't need as much power as normal halogens, and occasionally will pop a code on your dash. So these are going to help you eradicate that code, and it'll control everything through this little box here, from what I know. And yeah, for the Gen 1, you don't really need it. I believe they already come with the kit, so just in case, it might be different for a base model. I'm not too sure. But just in case, just keep these and install your LED lighting if you guys decide to get it for your Gen 1s or any other car. Just keep these as a backup, or in case matter if your code just ends up popping out or not. So yeah, just wanted to clarify these this wiring harness right here, so you could get this thought out of your head. Alrighty guys, so I'm gonna give you guys like an honest review on what I think about these. These are the H7s. They're pretty good for what they are. The price is actually not that bad for this kit. You do get about 6,500K out of these. They will last about 50,000 hours. One thing I'm gonna let you guys know is that if you have halogen bulbs and you want to upgrade, these are actually a pretty good budget buy. The build quality on these are actually really good. They don't feel cheap. They feel like they were actually built properly by the company. And I'm not just saying that because I'm trying to be biased or anything. I'm just being honest with you guys. And then for this one, these are the 9005. These are going to be the high beams, and these are going to last about 50,000 hours as well. And these are 6,000K. These felt a little bit more of a cheaper build, but they still had the quality in it. And these are easy to install, and it's a quick process. One thing I'm gonna let you guys know is that when you're installing these on the headlight for the Gen 1, if anybody gets them for the Gen 1, you just want to go ahead and kind of open up the little prongs on the end when you connect it to the plug. That way it just connects easier. And yeah, I will be giving away one set of these, possibly 2 little lights for these, and these are going to be for your interior lighting on the top center portion of the vehicle on the Gen 1s, or you could probably use any of these for like a turn signal bulb. These are going to be I think these are the 184s, which are the small ones, or the T10s they are. And yeah, I'll go ahead and do a little giveaway for these. If you guys are interested, I'll be posting a picture of myself of either both of these in the picture, or probably this one in the picture, on Instagram, and I'll be doing a giveaway on that, and I'll link all the entries on how to enter on my Instagram post, or maybe I could just share it here. So I'll just post a picture of this, and all you gotta do is just share the picture on Instagram, tag anybody that you want that you know, and that likes cars, of course. And then I'll go ahead and I'll be tallying everybody up, and I'll be writing up everyone's name, and then I'll do like a random selection at the end of the time, or at the end of the entry, and I'll pick a winner. So good luck to any of you that actually decide to want to enter for this, and it's free for you guys. So who doesn't like entering something where they could possibly get something for free? So yeah, and it's pretty cool. It's a pretty cool box. I have it already boxed up and everything, and you'll be getting everything that you've seen in the video. If you do have any other questions, please let me know. So what I recommend you guys to buy this product, yeah, they're not bad. They're not bad for what they are. These are actually really priced on an affordable range. These are just like, I think they're 20 bucks more, these highs. So it's up to you guys if you guys want to check it out. But yeah, I would recommend these. So check them out, try them out, and yeah. And I do want to give a special thanks to Auxbeam for reaching out to me and asking me to give you guys an honest review about this product. And so yeah, thank you guys for watching, and good luck on your future purchases for your car, and have a good day. And if I do come across of any codes that Auxbeam provides for me, I will put it in the description so you guys could use it, because if I like saving stuff, I'm pretty sure you guys like saving, or you guys like encountering special deals. So I'll go ahead and just put it in the description or on the comment section below. Thank you guys for watching, and until next time guys, peace out, have a blessed day, much love, and enjoy the beautiful day.